Question 2. For each of the following functions, find the value of the object x. So a, so this is function f and g. So here stated that the composite function of fg with the object x is going to give you an image of 5. So we need to find what is the x that you insert into the composite function that will give you the answer of 5. So first, let us find the composite function of fg. So the composite function of fg is formed when you inserting the function g into the function f. So the function g is 10 over x. So this is the one that you're going to insert into the x of the function f. So you're going to have 2 bracket 10 over x minus 5. So this one, you multiply it, you're going to have 20 over x minus 5. So this is the composite function of the fg. Now we're going to move to the parts to find the value of the object x. So it's stated that the composite function is fg is equal to 5. Now this fg is equal to this part, right? So I'm going to replace this with 20 over x minus 5 equal to 5. Now to find the x, I'm going to move this negative 5 to the other side. So it will become 20 over x equal to 5 plus 5. So this will give you the answer of 10. So later on, I'm going to move this x to the other side. So 20 is equal to 10x. So 10 multiplied with the x here. So to find the x, it will be 20 over 10. So this 10 moved to the other side, 20 over 10. So finally, you're going to have x is equal to 2. Question B. So this is the function f and function g. So it's stated that the composite function gf with the image of 7. So we want to find the value of x that you insert into the function gf that will give you the image of 7. So first, let us find what is the composite function of gf. So the composite function is formed when you insert the function f into the function g. So the fx is x squared minus 1. So this is the one that you're going to insert to the x here of the function g. So you're going to have 2 bracket x squared minus 1 plus 1. So this one you're going to expand it, multiply. So you have 2x squared minus 2 plus 1. So for this number here, you solve it, you're going to have minus 1. Alright, now we move to the part here, as we already have the composite function of gf. So gfx here stated is 7. So this gfx is equal to this, right? So I'm going to replace this with 2x squared minus 1 equal to 7. So now this is a quadratic equation. Yes, to solve it, I'm going to move everything to the left hand side. So I'm going to have 2x squared minus 1 minus 7 equal to 0. So this part I can solve it. It will give you the answer of minus 8 equal to 0. Now I can simplify this further by dividing all these terms here with 2. So what you're going to have next here is going to be x squared minus 4 equal to 0. Now, if you look at here, this number 4 here, I can change it into a square. So in order to factorize this one, if you still remember, if you have a squared minus b squared, right, you can factorize it, become a plus b, a minus b. So x squared minus 4 is actually the same as x squared minus 2 squared equal to 0. Right? So the x is the a, the 2 is the b here. So when I factorize it, it will become x plus 2, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now, to solve this, x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x here is equal to negative 2. And for this part, the x here is equal to 2. Question C, so this is the function f. So it's stated that the iterated function of f squared is equal to 10. So before we are able to solve it, let's find what is the iterated function of f squared. So the iterated function f squared is found when you have the function f, you insert into the function f again. So the function f here is 3x minus 2. So this is the one that we're going to insert into the function f again. So 3 bracket 3x minus 2 minus 2. So expand this part, you're going to have 9x minus 6 minus 2. So for the number here, I can solve it, 9x minus x. So that is the iterated function of f squared x. Now I can solve this part now. So f squared x is equal to 10, and then this f squared x is actually equal to this part that we already find. So I'm going to replace this part with 9x minus x equal to 10 to find it. So I'm going to move this negative x to the other side. So 9x equal to 10 plus 8, which will give you the answer of 18. So to find the x, I'm going to move this 9 to the other side. It will become 18 divided by 9, which will give you the answer of x is 2. For the question D here, the gx that you have here is the same as you have in the questions of 1D. So from the question of 1D, with the gx, which is the same as this, we already find in question 1D what is the iterated function of g squared x, which give you the answer of x minus 2 over 3 minus x. Alright, so we're going to use this straight away. So we are not going to find the iterated function of g squared again. So we're going to use this straight away to find the answer of x. So in this question, it's stated that the iterated function g squared is actually equal to negative 1 over 2. So I'm going to replace this with the ones that we have here from the question 1D. So x minus 2 over 3 minus x is actually equal to negative 1 over 2. So you can solve this by using the cross multiplication method. So I'm going to move this 2 to the other side. So I'm going to have 2 multiply the x minus 2 equal to, so this part's going to left negative 1. So I'm going to multiply it with 3 minus x. So expand this, you're going to have 2x minus 4 equal to, so this one gives you the answer of negative 3 plus x. So negative, negative, positive here. So to find the x, I'm going to move the x to one side. So this positive x, I'm going to move it to the front, and this negative 4, I'm going to move it to the right. So what I'm going to have next is 2x minus x equal to negative 3 plus 4. So 2x minus x is x, and negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So that is the answer for the question D.